Hey Mindy, how you doing? This is Ren, and like I said, I was gonna make this video for you and show you exactly what I see on my end of things. Basically, there are multiple factors when it comes to ranking. Actually, over 1,000 uh, when it comes to the nitty-gritty and details of what it takes to rank in Google, and I'm sure you know that. But basically, I'm gonna go over a few basic things that even a majority of the public still doesn't know, and when I go over these things, you're going to see a few things that, look interesting to you. And if you have any questions, feel free to call me back at the end of the video. And you're more than welcome to sit down with me if this is something you guys are looking forward, and want to have someone in your arsenal doing and help you guys out. So I'm going to get started, and when I'm done, you know, feel free to give me a call. So the first thing I want to talk to you about Mindy, is actually called content. Content's everything that we see throughout the front page. I usually suggest to any business that you have at least 1,500 words of content throughout your front page. You don't have that, but that's definitely not a deal breaker. I see you have some interlinking, that's pretty good, but you definitely want to have a little bit more content throughout your front page there. I'd say at least 1,000 words if you're trying to go for a low ball, and then at least 1,500 if you're trying to really optimize and fully optimize your site. Your main competitor, I want to say they're mainly a competitor because you guys deal with asphalt, I've noticed, so you guys are more asphalt paving side of things, and that's good. But you're still a construction company, as it's in your name, Banks Construction. So I did compare you to a construction company. You have Hill Construction, but I'm gonna go back here actually to what you guys do. I was gonna compare you to them, but hey, let's compare you to a concrete, someone who deals with concrete. So these guys, Port City Concrete. You can see their page right here. Not a lot of content, but they're ranking #1 for a good keyword, and that would be Concrete Charleston SC, which gets over 100 searches a month. As you can see, this gets over 100 searches a month. This is Ahrefs. This tool I like to use is linked up and synced up with Google Analytics. So these are one of the tools I use that I can see behind the scenes with. So going back, these guys definitely don't have 1,500 words on their site, so this definitely means you guys can beat them. That's a guarantee that I can see. Taking a look here at the search engine for Concrete Charleston SC, we could see I'm in incognito mode, and being in incognito mode means that basically I'm an unbiased search user. So I haven't been clicking around, don't have any cookies attached to me. These are all just what someone brand new is going to see. The first thing that we see is called the map pack. And basically to rank in there is with multiple factors, but one of the main ones is something called citations, the next thing I want to talk to you about. Citations are basically your business's name, address, and phone number submitted to different directories throughout the web. I'm going to do an example here. You can see Van Smith is #1, and they are 15.6 miles away. Wando Concrete LLC is 17.8 miles away, but they're #3. So normally people would say, wow, this is going based off of how close someone is. Well, that is true, but there are more to it than that. There's a lot more to it. So you can see here, Van Smith Concrete Company, they're 15.6 miles away. Wando is 17.8. But Driveway Masters is 13.7 miles away. So why is Wando Concrete coming up before Driveway Masters, even though these guys are closer? Well, that's actually with these citations, as I said. We have this tool called whitespark.ca and can actually see that Driveway Masters has 34 citations. Wando Concrete is sitting at 55, and Van Smith Concrete Company has 77. So that's why Van Smith is coming at #1, Wando is 3rd, and Driveway Masters is 4th. This would explain that. Now, you can come in here and take sources from any of these top companies, so you can see every single source that they've had, and you can take and submit your business to every single one. But hey, I actually have access to 450 different directories, so submitting your citations is no problem. Now coming back to the web results, the third and last thing I want to talk to you about is how to rank in this organic listings area. So obviously content plays a big part of it, but the main part of ranking is authority of your website, and that is determined with something called backlinks. Backlinks are when other websites are linking to your website, and basically when you have another concrete website, for example, or asphalt paving or anything like that, like linking back to your site, now you have authority. Basically, Google sees that as authority, and it's a big voting contest, basically. So when you have other websites linking back to you, they're telling Google, hey, this guy, go to him for whatever it is they're talking about. So you want relative high-quality websites linking back. This tool, Ahrefs, allows me to see that. You guys have 203 backlinks. You guys are ranking, have about 343 keywords right now. And I can come and see that you guys are ranking mostly, mostly for your own word. Banks Construction, Charleston, SC. I mean, that gets a lot of searches. But going back, let's see your backlink profile. See what's going on here. You guys currently have 50, 10 to 20 range backlinks and 156 in the 0 to 10. So those aren't the best quality. Obviously, the more higher quality URL you have, the better juice, the better authority you're going to have linking back. Taking a look at Port City Concrete, 278 backlinks. You can see that they have 32 keywords they're ranking for, only 32. So this tells me that they're pretty new or just don't have SEO going on for them. But 272 0 to 10 backlinks linking back, and 6 10 to 20, so not that great. Like I said, those high quality ones are gold, and that's what I make. I make gold. I make those 3 to 4s, 4 to 5s, 5 to 6s, 6 to 7s, all the way to 9 to 10s. I make these backlinks, and then I send them to you in a natural way that makes Google say, wow, these guys are really authoritative in this field, and pretty much rank you for that. So these guys are getting all their traffic right now. It looks like just through main keywords, not really their actual Port City Concrete keyword. So they're really getting found for a lot of those major general words, and that's why they get getting new traffic and new people in. Now, quick recap on what I talked about. We're going to need more content on your front page. You're going to need citations to rank in the map pack. And then you're going to also need these backlinks to rank basically for the organic results over here for concrete. Charleston SC is a good keyword. There's many other ones, but this is just one of the ones I saw off the top of my head that I could see that you guys aren't even on the front page for. So basically, if you guys are interested in what I do and you want to sit down, maybe talk some more, I'd be more than happy, Mindy, actually sit down with you personally and come in and show you everything that I do. This is my number, 407-978-7759. Hopefully you'll give me a call and we could sit down and talk. Once again, that number is 407-978-7759. In here in the Charleston area, so I'd be more than happy to sit down with you. All right, I'll talk to you later.